For solving the VLOOKUP limitations, we put the employee ID in the fifth column, and now we see how we can achieve the desired result. But with the help of a VLOOKUP, we can't achieve, because for the VLOOKUP, and there is a necessary condition to present the lookup value in the first column. So we can achieve with the help of an index match function. So how we can do it? We see here. Use the index formula and select the whole array from where we want the result. Then in the row number we specify the match column. First we can understand what the different functionality of index and the match function. If we talk about the match function is used to provide the relative position in a data set. They search the lookup value in the lookup array, and the match type they provide in the relative position. And what index function do? They provide the value in the area where the row and column intersect with each other. So with the help of combining these two functions, it will be more versatile, and it gives the desired result. We can get the data from any of a column or any of a row. It has a more flexibility. So now we can select the lookup value. The lookup value is in employee ID lookup array. In the first sheet, we have to select the employee ID whole data. This is a lookup array, and we pass 0 for the exact match. Like for say what the result we want. Bonus we already get it, but here employee ID is present in fifth column. Like for say in the right side, if we want the date of birth for example, so we can pass first and click OK. We have to change the formatting. This is provide the date column. For the index match function, we don't have to select the range again and again. Like for say, if we want the marital status, so just in the last column number, we just pass a 8, because marital status is present in a 8 number. Here we say it's an 8 number. So go to that sheet, from in place of a first, select 8, and we get the status of all the employees against their particular IDs. So this is the most useful way to achieve the desired result with the help of an index match function. So again we put the employee ID in the first, but before it we have to place the value as in paste special, because otherwise it will throw an error if we move our employee ID data. Now we can select the employee ID and put it in the first column, and from here we can remove it. Now we will check our other question. Calculate the average employee satisfaction for employee who are active. We have to calculate the average, how many employees are satisfied, average basis. So with the help of a count, with the help of AVERAGEIF, because we have to calculate the average. So we can just write here the AVERAGEIF function. First range is status, criteria, active. We just want the average. We have to pass the two condition. That's why I back here. Calculate the average employee satisfaction. Now we can do it. Sorry, I'm thinking like we have a two condition in this question, so that's why I move here. So this is right. We are doing in the right way. We select the range in the status column. For that range, we want the criteria to be active. What is the average range? We want the employee satisfaction. So we can select the employee satisfaction data, close the bracket, and see the result. Here we can say average employee satisfaction rate is 3.667. Now let's go to the other question. We have to write a formula to calculate the tenure of each employee. So how we can do this? So for achieving this, we can create a new column, name it as an tenure. For this, for calculating a tenure, we use two important functions. DATEDIF function is used to uh, calculate a difference between two dates, either it in year form, month, or a days form. With the DATEDIF and the if function, we achieve the tenure result. And today, as we know, it provides the today's data. So if function, if leave date, select this cell, is equal to null, like in this cell the value is not present. So what we need to do, we want the tenure, like what does it means, like leave date is not present, that means the employer is still with our organization. So we calculate the tenure on the basis of their hire date to the till date, like for say they started working in our organization from 2019 and right now it is 2025, so it's 6 year, so it will get the 6 year. So we can use dated function, select the hire date cell and then today function, and in which format we want in the year format. So in the double inverted commas we pass y and close the dated function. This is the true condition. But what if the leave date is not blank, then we need to calculate their tenure, like if they started their working in the organization in 2014 and left in 2017. So for this they are worked for only 3 years, so we need to calculate. Again we use a dated if, select hire date in first and leave date in the second, and y for formatting, like we want the formatting, and close all the result, then we can get the result. Right now we have to change the formatting, it automatically gets some data like number, or remove the decimal and we drop down. Now we achieve our desired result. Like why it is some error is coming. Yeah, because their 2017 year we specify because they started working in that particular year, maybe the data in the data set was not correct, so we need to check the data also. The main purpose of this video is to make you aware about all the advanced formulas and how we can perform the data analysis. Our first step in the data analysis start with the data cleaning and all the things we have to check and verify it. So these are all about the all important advanced formulas. We cover all these questions and talk about the important formulas that are used majorly for day-to-day purpose to getting a desired result. We talk about the VLOOKUP and index match, COUNTIF, AVERAGEIF, pivot table. These are all the important functions. So if you like any other topic you want me to create the video on that, so please leave that topic in the comment section. And if you like my content, then please hit the like button and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you for watching.